Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will show you how to set a proxy in Epicbot. Begin by launching the bot and logging in. On the left-hand side of the screen, locate the network icon and click on it. This will open up the Proxy Manager window. By default, no proxy is set. To set one up, click on Add at the bottom left. In the new window that appears, enter the IP and port of your proxy in the first two fields. If you are using a free proxy, this is all you need to do. If you are using a personal proxy, also enter the username and password below. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Add Proxy. Now return to the Start window. Click on the plus sign on the top left to add a bot and bind it to a proxy. In the new window that appears, select the proxy you just set up from the pop-up list. Finally, click Add Bot to complete the process. That's it! You're all set up to work in Epicbot using your proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.